What are the typical symptoms for women when they are low in testosterone?
I mean, frankly, it's not dissimilar to men. Low libido, decreased drive and motivation. I always tell my patients, testosterone is kind of the effort and reward hormone. And we can see, of course, where pleasure and reward maybe gets mixed in with libido. But women especially they're very good at continuing to do things even when life sucks. And I think a lot of men will just play video games and eat Cheetos for the rest of their life. But women are fantastic at continuing to move on because they're moms and they're busy. I think a lot of women just have no concept of lack of motivation, truly, because they're just so busy trying to provide for their families. And anyways, when you really talk to women and you describe a lot of those symptoms, those similar symptoms to men, obviously, even decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, just that brain fog, especially, all of those things we see in men, we're going to see the same thing in women. I think it's parceling that out for them and kind of showing it to them so that they understand it.
And what administration route do you prefer for women?
Yeah, again, similar to men, topical compounded creams or injections. I would argue the vast majority of my females just prefer the topical creams. I, generally speaking, have them apply the topical creams intravaginally. I love having it applied to a mucosal tissue, which would be like the inside of your mouth or your vaginal canal, for example, versus on the skin, because you have so many, oh gosh, I'm forgetting the dihydrotestosterone enzyme. 5-alpha reductase. You have much more of those enzymes on your skin. And so a lot of women don't want to use it topically for that reason, because they'll get a little bit more hair growth potentially and things of that nature. When you do it intravaginally on a mucosal tissue, there's just much less of those, pretty much almost no 5-alpha reductase enzymes. And so we get less of that dihydrotestosterone and a much, much unbelievable absorption. So we can use a far, far less amount of cream and still get the same bang for our buck.